What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks, and now let's get right into it with Amazon, which is down 2.20% on the day, and now Amazon stock trading below white line 20 SMA, which is sitting close to 100. So tomorrow we have big support also down here at 98.42 and the gap at 98.44 here on Amazon. So if there is a pullback here on Amazon down to 98, this gap will get filled, and then we could see the rally back up to the upside here on Amazon. So watch out for the strong support at 98.42, and below that we also have support at 97 and then $95 down here where this upper or actually lower Bollinger Band is sitting. To the upside, Amazon needs to break 100, 100.71, 101.84, and then we could see a move all the way back up to 104 here on Amazon. And now we're going to look at Tesla. On Tesla stock, it's up 1.17% on the day, and Tesla ran all the way up to almost 190, and now it's trading at 186.67 at the closing, and looks like we gapped up today. So we got a gap down here at 185 here on Tesla, which is not too far away. Tesla stock sitting at 186.67. So early as tomorrow morning, we could see this gap getting filled on Tesla at 185, and that could be coming, guys. So watch out for this gap down here at 185, and below that we could be retesting the support 177. Tesla now needs to break right here 189 to 190 white line 20 SMA, and then 192. If we can do that here on Tesla, 190 or actually 189 to 190, and then 192 orange line and also red line 50 SMA, Tesla back in the game, and we could see Tesla running all the way back up to 200 again. Below 189, 190, watch out for the support at 185, this gap down here, and then possibly will come down to retest the support at 177, and if that gives up more downside, we could be retesting 167 on Tesla. And now we're going to look at Google. Google stock is down 0.78% on the day, and Google stock, if you look at my screen, it's holding 106 as a support, blue line 5 SMA, and also intraday Google stock came down to 105, and that was also holding here on Google stock. So Google definitely looking strong, and it's holding above 105 after a massive run, some consolidation here on Google stock. Early as tomorrow, guys, Google can hold 105. We're going to see this run continuing to the upside all the way up to 110. Below 105, watch out for the support at 103.36, white line 20 SMA, and if that gives up, Google could be rolling over and coming down to 100, and then watch out for 98.82 all the way down here at 97. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. Microsoft is down 2.27% on the day, and Microsoft looks like early as tomorrow we could be filling this gap at 281 and then possibly even down here at 276. Microsoft looks like wants to roll over, but tomorrow we have the big data coming out, CPI, so that is something to watch tomorrow, guys. Microsoft stays above 274. That is still bullish, and I said it before, it needs to get under 274, and then in the short term 266, and then we're going to see more downside on Microsoft. As of right now, this could be a nice healthy pullback after that massive run all the way up to 292. So that is still a dip buying opportunity, and the trend is still bullish on Microsoft. So watch out tomorrow. The gap fill down here at 281, support at 279.27, white line 20 SMA, and if that gives up, watch out for the gap down here at 276, and we also have support at 274, and that was that breakout on Microsoft. To the upside, we need to get over 284 now, and above that, Microsoft can run all the way up to 287 to 290, and once we get above 290 on Microsoft, it's going to look more bullish, and we're going to see this run continuing to the upside all the way up to 295 to even 300. And now we're going to look at Meta. On Meta, it's down 0.42% on the day, and Meta still getting a close right around blue line 5 SMA sitting at 214. So that is going to be a key level going into tomorrow to watch. 214. Below that, Meta could be rolling over and coming down to 209.45, and below that, watch out for the support 205.75. White line 20 SMA, and we got a gap down here at 201. So Meta here, guys, if this thing breaks below 214, we could be dropping down here at 201 to fill this gap down here before heading higher. Now Meta can hold 214 as a support tomorrow, and the CPI numbers comes in low. With the expectation, we could see this run continuing to the upside, and Meta can run all the way up to 220. So for tomorrow, watch 214, next level 209.45, 205.75, white line 20 SMA, and then the gap down here at 201, and we also have supported 197, and that was that massive breakout on Meta. So that should hold as a support if Meta comes down to this level at 197. On Apple stock, it's down 0.76% on the day, and Apple stock still holding 160 as a support. And now we have positively sloping white line 20 SMA getting closer to 160. So that is going to be a strong support to watch going into tomorrow here on Apple stock. Below that, Apple could be filling this gap down here at 158.49, and that is going to be a support also. And then 157, the breakout, all the way down to 155. Apple can hold 160 tomorrow. Now we need to break 162, orange line 13 SMA, 163.38, blue line 5 SMA, and then we're going to see continuation of this massive run to the upside all the way up to 165, and the gap on top will also get closed. And now if Apple stock can hold 165 as a support, we could see this run continuing to the upside, and Apple can move even higher all the way up to 168 to even 170. So watch out, guys, tomorrow. Apple, this could be a big mover tomorrow, guys. Apple stock can hold 160. This thing can run all the way up to 165 early as tomorrow. Apple stock breaks 160, there could be more downside, and it all depends on that CPI data coming out 8:30 in the morning. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Have a great night, everybody.